Hey guys, MartyBoots here. Today I want to bring you another video on top of my video yesterday about Bitcoin. You can check it here, and yeah, and I talked about how bearish Bitcoin was and how it's going to drop, and so far we have dropped quite nicely. So that has played out very well. Today I want to talk about Aave. Now, Aave is the strongest, I will probably say the strongest coin in the market, especially especially the strongest large cap coin in the market. This is actually a very bullish pattern, and we in crypto check call this, and we have a channel basically describing these patterns here. I should actually make that bigger. This pattern right here, it's called the blueprint for success pattern. Okay, we have a full channel dedicated to this in our server in Discord. You can come in and take the weekly free trial in the link down below. And these patterns, the name says it all. The weekly, well, this is a weekly chart. It's a blueprint for success pattern, and it's a blueprint because it happens over and over and over again. That usually sends the price, a lot higher. Okay, so this to me, from studying tens and tens and hundreds of thousands of hours, I've been trading for 17 years. I've seen these patterns over and over and over again. Aave is one of the strongest coins in the market, especially like a lot of the smaller coins can be manipulated. They can just throw a bunch of money at it and it'll moon 100% and all. That's not what I'm talking about. Of course, they will always happen. But structurally, as a large cap coin, this is building a very good pattern. And you can see today, Aave is, let's just change that. Aave is now up the most today. Now, if you come into our Discord and search for posts that I've posted about Aave, there's quite a few remarkable similarities and stuff between Amazon and between Aave back in the 2000s and all different things. There's a lot of bullish posts I've posted about Aave. I posted about Aave all down in here about how bullish it is, and where that this pattern should form a very bullish pattern, and it should end up mooning to the upside. Okay, so I have added the Amazon chart. It's a 1 week Amazon chart and a 1 week Aave chart. I changed this chart to a US dollar chart, okay, because it has more data. You can see it's got the data from the start of the history, okay. So you can see here it's not identical. It's definitely not identical, but there's a lot of similarities. We have the neckline when we broke down after the bull run. We have the neckline where we broke down after the bull run. We have the base here. We have the base here on Amazon. We have the compression in between the moving averages. We have compression in between the moving averages. Slightly structurally different, but also very similar. You can see they both started around the same period in the bear market. This happened down in the bear market. Now, what happened after compression was very important. Well, Amazon got an explosion of price and rallied back to the upside. Now, if you had bought in the compression, that's still 170% bounce to the upside. Okay, that's huge. Now, Aave, as you can see here, is already up 14% today. So it's up 14% today, but you can see Amazon bounced another 150 or whatever, 180%. Up into this sort of area. That is almost identical to what Aave and Amazon both can do. You can see there 180% and 180%, but you can also see, if I just throw a fib on that, you can see that it's almost into the 50% retrace. And if I just throw this here, you can see that this is also into also into a 50% retrace right in here. Both of them are structurally almost identical, right? Almost structurally identical. Now, Aave is a large market cap, but of course, it has a lot of room to grow to become similar to Amazon. And I'm not saying it's going to become the next Amazon. Even if it runs to here, would you be happy? That's a 4x. And the likelihood is, because Aave is one of the stronger coins, Aave will probably take out these highs, right? Eventually, Aave will likely take it. You can come back and tell me if I'm right or wrong, but Aave will probably take out these highs in due course, in its own time. How much can Aave actually run? Well, it's tough to say. I mean, Defi is the strongest sector in the market. Defi is a new way of doing finance. Defi is taking finance into the next generation, right? Defi is Defi is the thing. You know, people talk about NFTs and all the rest. NFTs are dying away. Defi never died away properly. Yes, we had bear markets, but Defi is stronger now than ever. There's more users of Defi than there was than there ever was. There's more users of Defi now than there was at the top of the market. Okay, so that is a telltale sign that Defi is very, very important. Now, even in uh, all things that are real have real crashes. Like Bitcoin had real crashes. Crypto did have a real crash back in 2017. But the bull market showed us that there was something real there because there was so much buying pressure. The tulip bubble also died out completely, a little bit like the NFTs at this point. There was no bounce back from the tulip bubble. Whatever year that was, a couple of hundred years ago or whatever. NFTs are also doing that right now. I'm not saying that NFTs are going to completely die out. There's still a place for NFTs, but uh, they're not. So far, they're not on the same level as Defi. Defi is showing a lot of relative strength. Now, will the two charts play out something similar? Well, I'm not sure. But at this point, we only care about this move, right? In the near term, we only care about this move right here, right? If we can get through that move, well, we can decide to take profits, or we can decide to try and hold and watch to see what sort of plays out before the next move, right? So, the only move that I would be focused on right now is this sort of move, right? Something like that, because this is a large base. There is a neckline above right here, right? I would be concerned when price gets up into this region, right? I'm not saying it's definitely going to reject off the neckline right there, but that is a 90 to 100% move. We'll call that a 100% move into this neckline just for easiness sake. But can it go a lot higher than that? Yes. And if, one way to also play it would be, if there's any dips you could buy. It's up 13% today. Data, I also call data bullish. Come on into the live trading room. I put out a trade on data 2 days ago. I think that is probably now up 25% or so, roughly. But you can come on and check it out. Search for MartyBoots data, and you will see where I said to buy. And I said to buy exactly on the lows. Okay, data. Let's have a look at data. We'll go back to 10-minute chart. So you can see on data right down here. If you come into the group, you will see that I put out buys here, and you can search it, and that's up about 25%. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, very nice. So yeah, come on into the group, guys. If you're looking for some trades, if you want some buy, pardon me, if you want some buy and sell alerts. Just trying to find Amazon again. There we go. If you want some buy and sell alerts, if you want some great education, we have put together an amazing education section. I've shared all my knowledge from the last 15, 17 years in the market. It's there. If you want to study it, if you want to become a trader, it's good to have good education, and we do our best to provide as good education as we can possibly give. I've been trading the market for 17 years. I've seen a lot. I've studied a lot of courses. I've seen what works, what doesn't work. And we try and share that with you. We also share strategies. We also have indicators that we have developed and built. And a lot are very powerful. Actually, I could put one on right now to see if there's anything flashing today. No, it's not flashing today. A little bit of green there, but it's... it's called the golden trend, basically. And you can see, well, on this, we get alerts sent to, we have developed our own alert platform. It's called SoftQuant. And you can get all the alerts there. It's actually free to sign up to. If you come on into our Discord, you can sign up to our free platform that provides alerts for all of this. And you can see here, it's called the golden trend, and you can see right there on Aave, there's a 15% bounce on that if you got alerts on that. Here's another one right here. You can see that bounce, probably another 15%. roughly 12%. Okay, so you can see when it flips golden, you can get alerts sent to here's smaller. This is a 10-minute chart, by the way. And once it starts to flip golden, you know that the market is trying to do something. You know the market is trying to be bullish. It's an extremely powerful indicator. That's only 3 or 4% bounce, but it adds up over time, and it is a very powerful indicator. So it basically, when all these combined, this is based on price action. It's based on moving averages. It's based on VWAPs and other indicators, all combined together. And you can see up here neutral, bearish, bullish, golden. When they all flip together, there's 15 different. Maybe more than 15, I forget now. 15 different things that need to flip bullish in order to get to form a golden trend, right? There's a red trend. That's a bearish trend. You can see how powerful that red trend is as well. Look at the red trend. Once it flips red, you want to be short in the market. It's an extremely powerful tool, guys. And you can see it flips green. You want to be long. It comes out of it. It turns black. It turns nothing. That's my background, by the way. It's green. When it flips out of green, you want to get out of your trade. So there it tells you when to buy and when to sell. When it flips golden, there is 15 different things that actually turn in order to turn this golden, and that means that there is a huge probability that this market is bullish, right? And you can see exactly it is bullish. It was 16%. I mean, I can go back further if you want. You can see it's flipping in and out here, right? You can see it's flipping in and out, but you start buying here, right? It's a 10-minute chart, by the way. You can see there if you're on the trend, and it's a 4% bounce, but that is all uptrend. It is flipping all. It's not golden, by the way. The golden is the real one that you really want to be on. When you get golden alerts, you want to start buying. You want to buy the dips, and you want to hold, and you can see, well, depending on where you got there, and it flipped out of golden here. See the way it flipped out of golden? It tells you when to sell also. So yeah, if you want free access to this indicator and all the other indicators that we have, you can come on into our Discord and sign up for our SoftQuant platform, and you can get free access to all of our indicators and our buy and sell alerts. That is 12 minutes on the video, guys. Do not sleep on Aave. Aave is it's a powerhouse. I would suggest it's a powerhouse going forward. I have another coin that I am buying myself, and I've not started to buy it yet. I'm waiting. And there's another coin. It's a Defi coin, and if you come on into our Discord, you will find out what coin that I am buying. I'm going to accumulate this one pretty large, actually. And I've been watching it. I've been waiting and patiently, and I'm going to tell all my members when I start to accumulate. And we've watched it today. I've made posts about it today on our group, so you can come on and check it out. That's it, guys. Yeah, I will try and keep up the videos. I also make a lot of videos in our Discord every single day. I was away at my sister's wedding for a while, so I was a bit slack there for a little period because I was away. Nice to celebrate her wedding, but I am back, fully focused on the market. And yeah, going forward, I think if Defi, if Aave runs here, I think that it is going to drag the rest of the Defi market up with it. So you do not want to sleep on it. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the live Discord. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.